This guy loves spending time outdoors, even having dinner there. His backyard lacked one thing, a grill or kitchen, so he got to work. On a foundation, he built a rectangle out of bricks and cement with a fan-shaped end. Using clay, the man made the kitchen floor, smoothing out the material to make it neat. I imagine the putty also helps keep the fire going and insulates the rest of the materials from the heat. He placed iron rods in this more malleable material, as this is where the fire will go. With precision, the man, with the help of an architect friend, created the kitchen burners. They made 2 of different sizes. Then they tidied up the structure to make it look nice, as well as functional. It's time to test the outdoor kitchen. With some firewood, the guy lit the burners and placed the pan in a pot to prepare a delicious outdoor dinner. It really turned out great. Tell me in comments if you also like to spend time outdoors.
Her fan had already completed its cycle. Its blades were no longer spinning, and it was just collecting dust in the garage. But this creative woman did not give up and decided to give a new life to this useless device. With an ingenious eye and industrious hands, he transformed the old fan into a beautiful and practical oven for use outdoors. She covered the fan covers with electrical tape to protect them from the cement. Then he placed a container in the center of each lid and filled the spaces with quick-drying cement. For added stability, she added stones into the cement while it was still fresh. Once the cement bases dried, she used a pot and spray as molds on one of the lids. In this way, she managed to give height to the structure and create holes for the circulation of hot air. Finally, she joined both lids with more cement and stones, sealing the joints well to prevent heat leaks. To give it a decorative and personal touch, she painted the oven a cheerful pink color.
We've seen it time and time again. When there's a will to sail, there's a way. This man took advantage of the wood from a pallet thrown away on the riverbank to build himself a boat. He doesn't have many materials, but that doesn't worry him because he already has an idea of how to do it. Little by little and with patience, the guy assembled the frame of the boat, which looks like a canoe. Well, half a canoe. The pallet wood wasn't enough for anything more than the frame. However, this guy is very clever. He used plastic wrap, the kind used to package things. With it, he wrapped the frame. He had to wrap it several times to make it firm and waterproof. Then, he opened a hole with a knife to be able to sit inside the boat, ready to test the boat in the water. The paddle is missing, which the guy made with a stick and a piece of wood. Incredibly, the boat works. Look how it floats. This clever gardener is preparing a mini greenhouse to take care of his plants. He uses wood and plastic, which he then screws on top of his flower beds.